Most people who lose money in crypto lose it the same way. They buy something because someone online told them to. They skip the research, skip the questions, and find out the answers the hard way when the price collapses and the team disappears. This video is about building a research habit before putting a single dollar into any crypto project. The process is not complicated. It takes a few hours and protects you from the most common and expensive mistakes in this space. Start with the problem the project claims to solve. Every legitimate crypto project exists to solve a specific problem. Before looking at price charts or token metrics, ask one question. What problem does this project actually solve? And does that problem need a blockchain to fix it? Read the white paper. A quality white paper explains the problem clearly, describes the technical solution in detail, and is honest about limitations. If the white paper is vague, full of buzzwords, or avoids specifics, that is a major warning sign. Compare the proposed solution to existing alternatives. If a centralized database could do the same job faster and cheaper, question why the project needs to be on-chain at all. Research the team. Anonymous teams are not automatically suspicious in crypto, but they require more scrutiny. For non-anonymous teams, verify that the founders and developers actually have the experience they claim. Check LinkedIn profiles, prior projects, and public code repositories. Look for a track record. Have these people shipped products before? Have they been involved in failed or abandoned projects? Have they faced accusations of fraud or exit scams? Technical code quality matters, but so does the human layer. Social engineering attacks against key holders have caused some of the largest losses in DeFi history. Cases where the contracts were fine, but the people controlling admin keys were compromised. Team integrity is not a secondary concern. Analyze tokenomics. Tokenomics refers to the economic design of a project's token. How many exist, who holds them, and how they enter circulation. Bad tokenomics can destroy a project, even when the underlying technology works. Check the total supply and the circulating supply. A large gap between the two means significant inflation ahead as tokens unlock. Look at vesting schedules. When do team tokens become transferable? A team that can sell large amounts shortly after launch has a structural conflict of interest with retail investors. Examine token distribution. If 40% or more of the supply sits in a few wallets, the project is effectively centralized regardless of what the marketing says. Use on-chain block explorer tools to verify what the project claims against what the blockchain actually shows. Check on-chain activity, and community health numbers that look impressive in a marketing deck can be verified or disproven on-chain. Check the number of active wallets, daily transaction counts, and total value locked if the project is a DeFi protocol. Growing metrics signal real adoption. Flat or declining metrics with aggressive marketing signal artificial hype. Assess community quality, not just community size. A forum with 100,000 members, where most conversations are price speculation and giveaway promotions, is weaker than a smaller community discussing technical improvements and real use cases. Check how the team responds to criticism and hard questions. Projects with nothing to hide engage transparently. Projects with problems deflect, delete critical comments, or ban users who ask uncomfortable questions. Security and audit history. Before investing in any DeFi project or protocol, confirm that its smart contracts have been audited by at least one reputable and independent security firm. Audit reports should be publicly available, not just referenced in a tweet. Read the audit, not just the conclusion. A passing grade with 10 medium severity findings is not the same as a clean audit. Check whether identified vulnerabilities were actually fixed before deployment. The absence of any public audit from an emerging project with significant TVL is a serious red flag. An audit does not guarantee safety, but skipping audits entirely signals that the team is not treating security as a priority. Conclusion research is not a guarantee of profit, but it is a reliable way to avoid the most predictable losses. Most projects that blow up do so in ways that a careful reader could have anticipated from publicly available information. A thorough initial review of a serious project takes 8 to 15 hours. Reading documentation, analyzing on-chain data, testing the product if it exists, and engaging with the community. That time investment is worth it before risking real capital. The market rewards the people who do the work others skip.